Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn with MJ. We can discuss some of the MCQs related with sociology. First question, who called sociology social physics? Options are given here. First option Auguste Comte, option B Wilfred, option C Herbert Spencer, and option D Karl Marx. Here the correct answer is option A, that is Auguste Comte. Second question, with whose name would you associate social Darwinism? Options are given here. First option Auguste Comte, second option Herbert Spencer, and third option Talcott Parsons. Here the correct answer is Herbert Spencer. Social Darwinists held that the life of humans in society was a struggle for existence ruled by survival of the fittest. So this is the important term related with social Darwinism, that is the survival of the fittest. It is a phrase proposed by the British philosopher and scientist Herbert Spencer. Third question, who has given the concept of cultural lag? Options Karl Marx, W.F.Ogburn, Sorokin, McIver. The correct answer is W.F.Ogburn. The term cultural lag refers to the notion that culture takes time to catch up with technological innovations and the resulting social problems that are caused by this lag. This is called the term cultural lag. So the culture takes time to catch up with the technological improvements. That is called cultural lag. The term was coined by sociologist W.F.Ogburn in his book Social Change in 1922 with respect to culture and original nature. Cultural lag theory suggests that a period of maladjustment occurs when the non-material culture is struggling to adapt to new material conditions. Fourth question, who said that crime is normal for society? Options Emile Durkheim, Max Weber, Karl Marx, Herbert Spencer. The correct answer is Emile Durkheim. Durkheim believes that crime is a normal part of society and it is necessary because it is omnipresent across time and space. All societies have and do experience crime. Thus, having crime as such a common action, one may say it is normal to have. Our last question, what is the central concept within structural approach? Options subgroups, society, social structure, and interaction. The central concept within the structural approach is social structure. Thanks for watching the video. Please kindly subscribe our channel for more study topics.